So several studies showcased that adjustments alter central processing of mechanical stimulus, increasing pressure pain thresholds and decreasing pain sensitivity. That's a really good thing. Fear avoidance when somebody is in discomfort is one of the primary challenges we need to overcome, because I think of it like if you went to like the fair in the 1940s, you'd like hit the thing and the bell goes up and hits. So you want the threshold of pain, you want your little bell to not hit the top. It hurts, it hurts, it hurts. And when somebody's been in pain, their bell is kind of like hanging out right here. So anything that they do, they're so sensitized, it just hurts immediately. So what we do is we bring that bell down where they can do more and not feel pain. That's what they talk about when it's said that they increase the threshold level. And that's really, really important because we want to get people moving.